Hey guys, welcome to another Funky Friday. Today I got a rhythm for you that every guitar player really needs in their bag, especially for playing over minor chord rhythms. Okay, now this is in A minor, and we're starting just by strumming on that A minor chord on beat 1. And then on the last 16th note of beat 1, it's an upstroke there. I'm just going to grab really just the top 2 notes of the chord, maybe the top 3. But that's going to be an upstroke, and you're going to keep your hand moving in 16th note motion. So that would be 1 E and and cut that off right away. 1 E and just like that. On beat 2, you're going to hit dead strings, kind of on the top 3 strings there. Hit that dead and come down really heavy, accented. Right there. On the and of beat 2, you're just going to grab the root of the chord on the D string there at the 7th fret. Just that note by itself. All right, now on beat 3, you're going to go hit the top of the chord again, but it's almost like a ghost note. You're going to hit these 3 notes there, barred with your first finger, but you're going to cut it off very quickly and not apply 100% pressure. You want to hear the notes, but they're going to also be very dead, kind of like ghost notes. Again. Then you're going to grab that root note again on the and of beat 3, and then continue on beat 4 doing that same thing. And that's the entire rhythm. Now, it's also worth mentioning, if you're going to continue the rhythm and repeat it, that last note there on the and of beat 4 is going to be held out and played underneath the next chord coming on the 1 of the next measure. So that would be like this. See, I held onto that note while I strummed the chord there on beat 1 again. All right, so that's a nice rhythm. You definitely need this one in your bag. I'll see you next week.